Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a searchable dropdown in Google Sheets. So let's get straight into it. Now we have first step here. So we will select the cell or the entire column. So let's say we will select the entire column. So like that. Now go to the insert here at this top toolbar. Insert, and then we will find here the drop down. Right now on the right side it will open up the sidebar. In here you in the criteria section choose one of the two options. So we have drop down or drop down from a range. Drop down, type your option manually into the box, and this one drop down from a range. Click the grid icon and highlight a list of items already written elsewhere. So something like that. Something like that. So this is really good for long list. Now what you can do here is basically you can customize it. So what you can do is, let's say 7. What you can do here now is you can now customize it. So here you will see next to every this item that you have, you can change it colors. So for every column like that. At the bottom you have advanced options, so you can show a warning, reject the input, display style. So you have cheap, arrow, plain text. So let's say with arrow or plain text, but we can go with arrow. Let's say it looks nicer. Now what you can do also, and yeah, basically this is pretty much it. Now you have this workable functional drop down menu here in these columns. So yeah, you can change now the I have numbers here, so as you can see it also changed the color. So this is pretty much it, how you can create a searchable dropdown. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.